For a long time it seemed that one of our most popular metals, or its supply to be more precise, was completely at the god's mercy. Between 4200 and 2200 BC, people only knew iron fallen from the heavens coming from meteorites. The first iron axe, surely not made of meteorite, originates from 2200 BC.
During steel production, the carbon content of crude iron is reduced to less than 1.7%, while various alloying elements are added.
The resulting steel is hard, tough, easy to work with, and resistant to acid and corrosion. The plants offer a wide range of materials for various industries. Hot and cold rolled sheets and coils, merchant bars, tubes, hollow sections and profiles, beams, cold drawn materials, low alloyed steel, stainless flat and long products, tool steels, non-ferrous metals such as aluminium, copper, bronze, industrial construction plastics and plastics for visual communication. Iron production had to be increased in order to supply military equipment for the freedom fight led by Ferenc Rákóczi II. The sewing machine may cut up iron blocks up to 400 mm in diameter. However, the procedure may take up to 1.5 hours.
In most cases, they cut tool steels with this machine. Typical applications of these materials include cold working operations such as stamping dies, draw dies, and shear blades.
The 3 rings in the company logo have been a trademark of the Krupp company since 1875, and they symbolize train wheels. The first piece of stainless steel was produced in 1912 by Krupp Works. The Ferroglobus metalware company was established by the Csepel-Weiss-Manfred Metal and Steelworks Company in 1922 in order to sell the parent company's products.
The ASC machine cuts steel, aluminium, copper, stainless steel tubes, bars, square tubes, all supplying the automotive industry.
The T-drill machine is special because the cut-up pipes are not rough, sharp, and are completely burr-free. The company's former warehouse soon proved to be small due to the fast development. So a 32-hectare new central facility had to be built, which is still in use till today.
The most important moment in the company's modern time history was when, in late 1997, ThyssenKrupp GmbH, a member of Thyssen concern, bought the company's majority share package from the State Privatization and Property Management plc.
This is when the product range and the business site network started to spread.
They can set up the speed of the line up to 40 meters per minute. This machine can produce up to 70,000 tons of steel plates per year, which is 10 times the amount of steel found in the Erzsébet bridge built on the River Danube.
These days there are new types of steel and environmentally friendly technologies. Also innovative R&D is carried out.
And why does one need to use a mask while using the plasma cutting machine? Despite of a solution to capture most of the airborne particles, a small part of the melted material vapors escape into the air of the hole, so the mask prohibits the inhaling of these harmful iron oxides.
There is an expanding range of plastic products for decoration, advertising, and architectural engineering.
The SAP system has been introduced in 2005, and it helps to manage all of the business and service processes. These scanners, very much like small computers, scan the data, then transfer it over Wi-Fi directly into the system, though the face recognition feature is still in development. After the privatization of ThyssenKrupp, Ferroglobus sites have been opened one after the other. Thus, a nationwide sales network with 7 branches was established. The ThyssenKrupp concern has 150,000 employees worldwide, and 300 professionals work on innovative solutions for the company in Hungary in order to create value for our partners. Investments are constantly being made in the field of stock manufacturing at our service centre for automotive and steel industry. By constantly going along market demands, ThyssenKrupp Ferroglobus forms its operation responsibly, thus taking care of sustainability and the future of the company.
Steel as a material has been created and kept alive for thousands of years by mankind. It is our responsibility to keep developing its most suitable applications well into the future so people can experience the work of our professionals for generations to come.